Hi, friends. If you're anything like me, a lot of your income and your success in your career is built upon people making a decision to purchase a home. And the media is not doing us any favors. As you know, rumors of war and interest rates and inflation and all the things that make headline news in the media have buyers feeling stuck. And the general consumer sentiment is that they should sit on their hands, they should wait for something. I don't know what they're waiting for. They probably don't know what they're waiting for, but there's a sense of sort of stall in the market that has been going on for a few years. When rates rose, everybody sort of took a step back, and it's been really hard to gain any momentum for what you do, for what I do. And I believe that right now is a great time to buy it. I know that's easy to say, and I think a lot of real estate people say that. However, I look at hard data and I say, okay, what's really going on out there? And here's the reality. We've seen a slight uptick in the number of homes sold this year compared to last year. Our inventory numbers are a little bit lower than they were last year. And in check, we have a very stable level of supply and demand with about a 5-month inventory of homes out there. This is a very normal, settled market and one that is a stable, safe time to buy a home. And so I think as real estate practitioners, our job to a certain extent collectively is to help the consuming public understand what's really going on out there. And the truth is this, it is a safe time to buy a home. I think everybody gets excited about saying it's a great time to buy a home, which is a true statement. What I think our prospects need to hear is that it's a safe time to buy. That if you're going to be in a home for any length of time, if you were to buy today, you're going to take advantage of a great deal in the market. And over time, as this market recovers, which we can't predict exactly when that's going to happen, but I know it will happen. And I'm an optimist, right? I walk into most rooms with, and they're full of rainbows and unicorns, and I see a future that's bright. And I do know that's true for Austin. I can't tell you when it's going to happen. But the reality is, for those of us that make a living by selling homes, our best opportunity today is to help people disseminate between the headlines and the reality and find a place where it's not a fearful decision to make a purchase. I do know that rates are a little bit higher than they had been, but with rate buy downs and incentives and some of the discounts that are out there in the market and the available options that buyers have, it's a really, really, really good time for them to make that decision. I think every buyer that you help for the balance of this year is going to look back 2, 3, 5 years from now and thank you for encouraging them to make that decision. So don't feel bashful about encouraging somebody to move forward. It is a safe time to buy a home. There's some charts, there's some data. Feel free to share this video. Feel free to share the one pager that we've attached. We've created all of these resources to help you help the buying public understand that it's a safe time to buy a home. I hope this is helpful. As you have those conversations with folks and you run into any impediments, reach out to us. We're here to help support you and serve you in helping your clients make the decision, the long-term decision that's best for them, which is to move forward on that purchase that has caught their eye. Have a great day. Thanks for reading. Thanks for watching. I'm always a phone call away if I can be of service in any way.